1969 440. This is my next door neighbor, Hugh. He just finished this car and took it to its first auto show this weekend. Backing it off the trailer right now. He just got back from the show. You're looking good. Hey everybody, this is my friend Hugh Hardwell. He's my neighbor. This guy is the nicest, funniest person you're ever going to meet in your life, and he just finished this beautiful 1969 GTX 440. We're taking a ride right now. So Hugh, how long have you been working on this car?
25 years.
25 years. Makes me feel good about me working on mine. She sure sounds good. So I know you've done all this work yourself. You did a frame off. You had the body on a rotisserie. You did the whole works, and she is beautiful. So been having it going for a long time. How did it feel to drive it for the first time?
The feeling yesterday was absolutely just, I can't believe it. It was the first time I'd ever totally driven the car through all 4 gears.
Yeah.
It was the greatest feeling.
That's awesome. Now, what was the name of the show you went to?
It was the Greenfield Village Motor Muster.
Motor Muster. Okay. Okay. And how many cars did they have?
Oh, God. I bet there was 1,800 cars there.
1,800 cars. Wow. This was the prettiest one there. Absolutely no doubt. So you guys, on my channel, you're going to be seeing Hugh in the future. And we're going to have a little time around this car and talk about it. Just wanted to let you experience the ride for a minute. Thanks, Hugh.